Very good morning. So in this segment, the information will be given regarding that first used insecticide or fungicides are the first person reported that occurrence of the virus, fungi. So in this angle, in that the first one is that Yervinia amelovora is the first bacterium proven to be a pathogen of the plants, and this causes a fire blight of apple. And another thing with reference to that Yervinia amelovora is concerned, this is one of the first plant pathogen to be associated with an insect vector. So that also regarding that fire blight of apple. So this is the first reported plant parasitic bacteria that causes problem of the fire blight of apple. The cause ranges from apple, pear, and several rosaceae ornamental plants. Then tobacco mosaic virus was the first virus to be discovered, and this is the first pathogen identified as a virus. In 1886, Adolf Meyer first described the tobacco mosaic virus that could be transferred between plants similar to bacterial infection. In 1892, Dmitry Ivanovsky gave the first concrete evidence for the existence of non-bacterial infectious agents. Another main thing with reference to the TME is concerned. So this is the first virus to be crystallized. So these are all the things with reference to TME. TME is the first reported virus. And Angina titysi, this is the first plant parasitic nematode. Based on the literature review, this is reported first time during 1743. So this causes wheat seed caul nematode, wheat seed caul, or otherwise commonly called as wheat seed caul nematode. So the course ranges from wheat, triticale, rye, and related grasses. The wheat is the primary cause. So that Angina titysi is the first plant parasitic nematode reported by the scientist. And then first used fungicide is a copper sulfate. First foliar fungicide, that is inorganic nature, that is Podax mixture. First broad spectrum protectant fungicide, that is tithiocarbamate, this is organic form. The first systemic fungicide used for seed treatment is carboxin. And first broad spectrum foliar systemic fungicide is Phenomal. The first systemic oomycete fungicide is metaloxyl. Broad spectrum fungicide with novel spectrum and new mode of action. Two material, both of them are natural. The first one is strobilurin A, and another one is avodaminancin. So these two are isolated from a saprophytic fungus. So these two are first used broad spectrum fungicide with a novel spectrum and new mode of action. Then tricyclazole is the first used fungicide with indirect mode of action. Theophorus was the first person reported the occurrence of the plant diseases, particularly in cereals, legumes, and tree crops. And Arabidopsis thaliana is the first plant to have its entire genome is sequenced. So that entire genome sequence is available, that is Arabidopsis thaliana. Then with reference to that insecticide, DDT was the first used insecticide, that is a trichlorothionyl trichloroethane, that is the first used organochlorine based insecticides. The first president of ICAR is Muhammad Habibullah. Then K.R. Kirtagar was the first Indian scientist who collected and identified the fungi in the country. So Kirtagar is the first person who collected and identified fungi in the country. J.S. Dastar in 1886 to 1971, the colleague of the Butler, was the first Indian plant pathologist who is credited with a detailed study of fungi and associated plant diseases. Internationally, he is known for establishment of Phytophthora parasitica from castor. Thomas Jonathan Burrell, the year 1839 to 1916, first person reported the occurrence of the bacterial plant diseases. So Thomas Jonathan Perrell is the first person reported occurrence of the bacterial diseases in plants. And also he introduced Erwinia mellifera as the causal agent for pear blight. Similarly, that Neetham is the first person observed the plant parasitic nematodes in 1743. And the first nematode reported also that wheat ear-cockle nematode, that is Anguina triticea. Then Pierre Antonio Michael is the first person reported the plant fungal pathogen. Apart from fungal pathogen, he is a pioneer with reference to that bryophytes and lichens. The sporin, the first bioinsecticides developed on the commercial scale was sporin. So this is a product of the Bacillus thuringiensis. So this contains that toxic proteins. The toxic protein also get activated on the alkaline pH of the insects. Paris green is the first successfully used insecticides, particularly in the USA for the control of Colorado potato beetle. And the chemical name is cuprous acetoarsenite for Paris green. And another thing with reference to that potato is concerned, potato is one of the first crops to be treated by airplane. The first used fumigant is liquid hydrocyanic acid in the year 1916. So these are the things with reference to that first thing that is related to chemical. The first person reported that fungicides and bacteria, virus, all those things. So with that I am completing this one. Thank you very much.